This is a new project that I've been working on. It's a crossbow made from a pulley and spring mechanism, and I'm calling it the Mad Max because it looks like something out of that movie. So what I did was I got the basic parts, the pulleys and the main frame, and I started cutting out the brackets, figuring out how I wanted them positioned, and I basically finished all of the different mounts and the arms, and I started welding them and then putting them together and assembling them. But so the top part is pretty much done. I'm waiting for some nuts to show up in the mail, but I welded and attached all of the brackets. The next thing I'm going to be doing is making the channel and the carriage that pulls the drawstring back into the trigger mechanism, which I have coming in the mail too. And I got to figure out something with the butt. I might keep it long, or I might shorten it a little bit. Don't know yet. You ready? Okay, guys. I'm going to demonstrate the mechanics of this. So eventually there'll be a channel with a carriage that will pull this down, but for now I'm just going to show you how the pulley system works here. So I tried building a carriage for the rope, and it didn't turn out how I wanted it. It was really hard for how small it was to weld it and everything. So I scrapped it and I had a different idea to use part of the square tubing. And you can see right here how it's got the handles and the trigger catch, and I like this design a lot better. Here I'm demonstrating how the trigger catch will slide in and engage, and I finished. Hey guys, guess what? I finished it. You're looking at Mad Max. I'll walk you through it real quick. So the trickiest part was making the carriage, which you can see right here. I had to put a tube, metal tube, so the rope would go through it. Anyways, it glides back and it locks into place right here with the trigger mechanism. And then I built my stock with my scope on it. So we're gonna give it a test run. I'm just did a really quick, fashioned a bolt. I call it the stinger. And so this will actually slide in right here and lock into place. So I'll show you a video real quick. Okay. So we'll pull this back. By the way, this is the very first time I'm doing this, so let's see how it goes. There you go, it locked. Check it out. Now, take the bolt, place it in like that. It's locked into the carrier, and I'm gonna shoot it. At that piece of wood right there. I don't know if you can see it or not. Here we go. It went off to the right. All right, I tightened up the string, so it's gonna give a little bit more tension up here. So we'll try it now. Wow, that's tight. All right, here we go. I'm gonna load the bolt. I bet if I had a lighter bolt, it would fly faster too. That's pretty good. It's putting a dent in the plywood. I think I might get some tighter springs. Because when I heated these up, it loosened up the spring. So I'm gonna get some tighter springs, and I'll get more power behind it. But as far as it working, it's working. It's pretty cool. Looking down the sight is pretty awesome too. I'll do one more for you. Let me turn the sight on. So I got a red dot right now. It works. The Mad Max.